Hi, I'm Sanji, and today I'm going to be talking about the insertion sort.
The insertion sort is used to sort a list or array. There are many different types of sorts, and there are certain sorts that are better than others depending on the size of the list. The insertion sort is one of the fastest sorts for small lists. To explain this sort, I am going to walk you through the steps that would allow you to sort 5 cards that are numbered from 1 to 5 in increasing order. To start, I have my 5 cards flipped over, and I am going to start with the first 2 cards and flip those over. So the first question I need to ask myself each time before I switch cards is, do I need to switch these 2 cards in order to sort these cards in order? So if I have a 2 and a 5, since the cards need to be in increasing order, I need to check which cards needs to go first. Since the 2 is less than the 5, then I need to switch these 2 cards. So if I were to switch them, I now have that the 5 is greater than the 2, meaning that these 2 cards are in the right order. Now I'm going to move on to the third card. If I have a 1 and a 5, I need to ask, do I need to switch these cards? Since 1 is less than 5, the answer is yes. So I need to switch them. When I switch them, the 1 is less than 5, meaning that these 2 cards are in the right order. Now I need to check the first and the second card again, because the second card switched. Since the 1 is less than the 2, these cards are in the wrong order, meaning I need to switch them. When I switch them, these cards are now in the right order, because 1 is less than 2. So now I need to check my third and fourth cards. Since the 4 is less than the 5, these cards are in the wrong order. And so now what I need to do after I switch them is I need to check the third and second card, because I need to make sure that those 2 cards are in the right order. Since the 2 is less than 4, these 2 cards are in the right order. They might not be in the right spot, but they are in order. So now I can move on to the 5th and 4th spot. For these, I have to check and ask myself, do I need to switch them? Since the 3 is less than the 5, these cards are in the wrong order, and I need to switch them. Now that I switched them, these cards are in the right order. So what I need to do next is I need to check the 4th and the 3rd card. I need to ask myself, do I need to switch them? Since the 3 is less than the 4, these cards are in the wrong order. And when I switch them, they are now in the right order. The last step that I need to do is I need to check the 3rd and the 2nd card. I need to make sure that these 2 cards are in the right order, because we do not know where the 3 ended up being. So since the 3 is greater than the 2, these cards are in the right order. So now when I flip all the cards over, my cards are all in increasing order from 1 to 5, and we met our goal.